Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and the power key button on the right side of our phone. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully less than in a couple of seconds. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code pattern unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.